exploring the cultivation and harvesting of 9 billion tulip bulbs. Tulip cultivation has a rich history, originating in Central Asia and spreading to Europe in the 16th century. These vibrant flowers have since become a global symbol of beauty and prosperity, celebrated worldwide for their striking appearance. The tulip industry has evolved significantly, from being a luxury item during the Dutch Golden Age to a widely accessible and commercially significant crop. Advances in horticultural techniques and global trade have expanded the tulip market, making it a staple in ornamental gardening. Tulips thrive in temperate climates with cool springs and well-drained, sandy soil. They require specific pH levels and nutrient-rich conditions to flourish. Optimal soil preparation is crucial to ensure healthy growth and vibrant blooms. Choosing the right tulip varieties is essential for successful cultivation. Factors such as bloom time, color, and resistance to pests and diseases influence variety selection. Popular choices include Darwin hybrids, triumphs, and species tulips, each offering unique characteristics. High-quality tulip bulbs are vital for robust growth and vibrant blooms. Sourcing bulbs from reputable suppliers ensures genetic purity and disease resistance. Careful selection and inspection of bulbs before planting can significantly impact the overall success of the crop. Preparing the soil is essential for successful tulip cultivation. Begin by tilling the soil to a depth of 12 to 15 inches, ensuring it is loose and well drained. Incorporate organic matter to enhance fertility and structure. Fertilization is crucial for healthy tulip growth. Use a balanced fertilizer rich in phosphorus to encourage root development. Check the soil pH, aiming for a slightly acidic to neutral range, around 6.0 to 7.0. Proper planting techniques are vital for optimal tulip growth. Space bulbs 4 to 6 inches apart and plant them at a depth of 6 to 8 inches. Timing is also crucial, typically in the fall before frost. Irrigation practices play a significant role in tulip cultivation. Water the bulbs thoroughly after planting, then maintain consistent moisture levels throughout the growing season. Avoid overwatering to prevent bulb rot and other related diseases. Greenhouses offer a controlled environment, extending the growing season and protecting tulips from harsh weather. They allow for better climate management, pest control, and consistent quality, making them an invaluable asset for tulip farmers. Regular weeding is crucial for maintaining tulip fields, as it prevents unwanted plants from competing for nutrients. Pruning dead or damaged foliage helps maintain plant health, while mulching conserves moisture and regulates soil temperature. Understanding the tulip plant's life cycle is essential for effective cultivation. Knowledge of growth stages, from dormancy to full bloom, enables farmers to provide the necessary care and optimize yield throughout the growing season. Skillful harvesting of tulip bulbs involves timing and technique. Harvesting at the right moment ensures bulb quality and vitality. Proper handling during extraction minimizes damage, preserving the bulb's potential for future growth and market value. Post-harvest handling of tulip bulbs is critical for maintaining quality. Bulbs should be cleaned and dried immediately to prevent rot. Appropriate storage conditions, including temperature and humidity control, ensure bulbs remain viable until planting season. Bulb sorting and grading are essential for quality control. High-quality bulbs are separated based on size, health, and appearance. This meticulous process ensures that only the best bulbs reach the market, enhancing consumer satisfaction and demand. Bulb sorting and grading are crucial for maintaining quality control. Each bulb is meticulously inspected for size, shape, and health. This ensures that only the best bulbs are selected for sale, guaranteeing high-quality blooms for consumers. Packaging and shipping are integral to delivering tulip bulbs to global markets. Bulbs are packed in climate-controlled containers to preserve their viability. Efficient logistics and careful handling ensure they reach their destinations in prime condition, ready for planting. Tulip cultivation significantly impacts local economies. It creates jobs in planting, harvesting, and processing. Additionally, it boosts tourism through tulip festivals, attracting visitors worldwide. This influx of tourists benefits local businesses and promotes cultural exchange. Sustainable practices in tulip farming are essential for long-term success. Farmers adopt eco-friendly methods, such as organic fertilizers and integrated pest management. These practices reduce environmental impact, and ensure the health of the soil for future cultivation. Innovations in tulip cultivation technology have revolutionized the industry. Automated planting machines increase efficiency and precision. Advanced irrigation systems conserve water while ensuring optimal moisture levels. These technological advancements help farmers achieve higher yields and better quality flowers. Research and development play a crucial role in enhancing tulip yields. Innovative breeding techniques and advanced agricultural practices enable farmers to produce healthier, more vibrant tulips. Continuous investment in R&D ensures the tulip industry's growth and sustainability. Successful tulip farms around the world offer valuable insights into best practices. These case studies highlight effective planting techniques, pest management strategies, and marketing approaches. Learning from these examples helps new and existing farmers improve their operations. Marketing strategies for tulip bulbs are essential for reaching global markets. Effective branding, targeted advertising, and strategic partnerships can significantly boost sales. Understanding consumer preferences and trends allows tulip growers to tailor their products and marketing efforts accordingly. Tulip festivals and tourism significantly impact the industry. These events attract visitors, boosting local economies and raising awareness of tulip cultivation. They also provide a platform for farmers to showcase their products and connect with potential buyers. Consumer trends and preferences in tulip varieties constantly evolve. Staying attuned to these changes helps farmers and marketers cater to demand. Popular trends include unique colors, rare varieties, and sustainable growing practices. Adapting to these preferences ensures ongoing success. Tulip cultivation faces challenges like climate change, pest resistance, and market fluctuations. However, technological advancements and sustainable practices offer opportunities. Improved breeding techniques and eco-friendly farming can help meet global demand and ensure long-term industry viability. Government policies play a crucial role in supporting tulip farmers. Subsidies, grants, and research funding can bolster the industry. Policies that promote sustainable farming practices and protect against market volatility are essential for future growth. Large-scale tulip farming poses environmental impacts, such as soil degradation and water overuse. Implementing eco-friendly practices like crop rotation, organic fertilizers, and efficient irrigation can mitigate these effects and promote a more sustainable industry. Collaboration between farmers, scientists, and marketers is vital for innovation and market growth. Joint efforts can lead to improved cultivation techniques, better pest management, and effective marketing strategies, ensuring a thriving and resilient tulip industry. Tulip cultivation holds significant importance in the global floral industry. It not only contributes to economic growth but also cultural heritage. Sustainable and innovative practices will ensure its continued relevance and success in the future. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.